Alone in the wild, explore fascinating solitary animals. Koala. In the vast expanse of Australia's eucalyptus forests, the koala reigns supreme as the arboreal master of solitude. With its plush fur and distinctively large ears, the koala is often found nestled high up in the branches, basking in the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy. Throughout the year, koalas lead a predominantly solitary existence, each individual carving out its own piece of the forest to call home. From the towering gum trees to the dense underbrush below, every koala establishes its territory, marking its boundaries with scent and vocalizations. Despite their solitary lifestyle, koalas are not devoid of social interactions entirely. During the fleeting moments of mating season, the tranquil solitude of the forest is interrupted by the gentle calls of male koalas, vying for the attention of potential mates. These encounters are brief and purposeful, driven by the instinctual urge to perpetuate their species. Occasionally, the boundaries of these solitary kingdoms overlap, leading to chance meetings between neighboring koalas. In these moments, greetings are exchanged with cautious curiosity, each koala assessing the intentions of the other before returning to the solitude of their own domain. Giant panda. Giant pandas, Ailuropoda melanoleuca, are solitary creatures that inhabit the dense bamboo forests of China. These beloved bears are perfectly suited to their solitary lifestyle, with specialized adaptations that allow them to thrive in their bamboo-rich environment. In their natural habitat, giant pandas establish vast territories, each individual claiming its own range within the mountainous bamboo forests. These territories can cover several square kilometers, providing ample space for the pandas to roam, forage, and seek shelter. Unlike many other bear species, giant pandas are not territorial animals. Instead, they rely on scent marking and vocalizations to communicate their presence to other pandas and avoid direct confrontations. This non-aggressive behavior allows them to coexist peacefully within their home ranges. The solitary nature of giant pandas is largely dictated by their diet. Bamboo makes up the majority of their diet, but it is low in nutrients and requires large quantities to sustain a panda's energy needs. As a result, pandas must roam far and wide in search of the best bamboo patches, often foraging alone to minimize competition for resources. Polar bear. Polar bears, Ursus maritimus, are indeed emblematic creatures of the Arctic, celebrated for their resilience and unique adaptations to the unforgiving icy landscapes they call home. Renowned for their solitary existence, these magnificent bears navigate the frozen expanses of the Arctic sea ice alone, venturing across vast distances in pursuit of sustenance and suitable habitat. The solitary lifestyle of polar bears is deeply intertwined with the challenging conditions of their environment, particularly the scarcity of food sources. Seals, especially ringed seals and bearded seals, form the cornerstone of the polar bear diet. However, these seals are not abundant in any single location, requiring polar bears to undertake extensive travels across the Arctic sea ice to locate them. Consequently, chance encounters between individual polar bears are relatively rare outside of the brief mating season. Wolverine. Wolverines, gulo, are emblematic of the solitary lifestyle observed in the wild. Thriving in the boreal forests and tundra expanses of North America, Europe, and Asia, these elusive creatures are celebrated for their solitary tendencies and expansive territories. At the heart of the wolverine's solitary lifestyle lies its territorial nature. Each wolverine stakes claim to a vast territory, often spanning hundreds of square miles and encompassing diverse habitats. These territories serve as exclusive domains, meticulously guarded by wolverines against any potential intruders, particularly individuals of the same gender. Tiger shark. The tiger shark, Galeocerdo cuvier, stands as a solitary apex predator, commanding the oceans with its formidable presence. Widely distributed across tropical and temperate waters worldwide, these sharks embody independence as they traverse the depths in relentless pursuit of prey. At the heart of the tiger shark's solitary lifestyle lies its position as a dominant predator in the marine hierarchy. Blessed with few adversaries, these sharks navigate the vast expanses of the ocean unaccompanied, their territories extending as far as the eye can see. With the freedom to roam without constraint, tiger sharks methodically scour their domains in relentless pursuit of sustenance. Snow leopard. In the rugged and remote mountainous regions of Central and South Asia, the snow leopard, Panthera unchia, reigns as the ghost of the mountains, an elusive and solitary predator adapted to life in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. With its sparse distribution and low population density across its vast range, the snow leopard leads a solitary existence, navigating its expansive home range alone. Spanning dozens or even hundreds of square kilometers, the individual territories of snow leopards are vast and remote. Within these territories, snow leopards hunt and patrol their domain independently, relying on their solitary nature to minimize competition for resources. Their primary prey includes wild sheep, goats, marmots, and pikas, which are sparsely distributed across the rugged terrain necessitating the snow leopard's solitary hunting strategy. The snow leopard's solitary behavior is further reinforced by its cryptic and elusive nature. Preferring to avoid contact with humans and other potential threats, snow leopards remain hidden and seldom seen by human observers. This solitary lifestyle allows them to navigate their mountainous habitats with stealth and precision, minimizing the risk of conflict with other predators and maximizing their chances of survival in the harsh mountain environment. Gibbons. Gibbons, scientifically known as Hylobatidae, are fascinating arboreal primates native to the lush forests of Southeast Asia. Renowned for their incredible agility and enchanting vocalizations, gibbons lead primarily solitary lives, although they do exhibit social behaviors during certain periods of their lives. A notable aspect of a gibbon's solitary lifestyle is its territorial behavior. Gibbons establish and fiercely defend territories within the forest canopy, which typically consist of a mated pair and their offspring. These territories can vary in size, ranging from 10 to 50 hectares, depending on factors such as the abundance of food resources and the density of the forest vegetation. Gibbons use a series of loud and melodious vocalizations, often referred to as songs, to communicate with neighboring individuals and assert their territorial boundaries. Within their territories, gibbons spend much of their time foraging for fruits, leaves, and insects, utilizing their exceptional agility to navigate the complex forest canopy. Their acrobatic abilities and long, slender limbs allow them to swing effortlessly from branch to branch, covering vast distances with remarkable speed and precision. Despite their solitary nature, gibbons may occasionally encounter neighboring individuals or groups while foraging, leading to brief interactions or vocal exchanges. Lynx. The lynx, an iconic and elusive wildcat, is renowned for its solitary behavior and preference for solitude within its forested domains. Spanning regions across North America, Europe, and Asia, the lynx traverses its wooded territories alone, navigating the dense foliage in search of prey and suitable habitat. The lynx's solitary nature stems from its dependence on hunting prowess and stealth for survival. As adept predators, lynxes target a variety of small to medium-sized mammals, including rabbits, rodents, and occasionally deer. Employing solitary hunting tactics, lynxes rely on their acute senses and powerful legs to stalk and ambush prey without the aid of pack members, ensuring successful hunts in their solitary pursuits. Tasmanian devil. The Tasmanian devil, Sarcophilus harrisii, stands out as a unique marsupial species endemic to the island of Tasmania, Australia. While they're often associated with their frenzied feeding behavior, Tasmanian devils lead predominantly solitary lives in their natural habitats. Inhabiting diverse environments ranging from forests to coastal areas, Tasmanian devils establish and maintain individual territories. Within these territories, they roam alone, relying on their acute sense of smell and sharp vision to locate prey and navigate their surroundings effectively. The solitary nature of Tasmanian devils can be attributed largely to competition for food and resources. These carnivorous marsupials primarily feed on carrion, supplemented by small mammals, birds, insects, and reptiles. By foraging independently, Tasmanian devils reduce competition with other individuals, enhancing their chances of securing sustenance in their environment. Bengal tigers, Panthera tigris, are majestic predators that dominate the forest and grasslands of the Indian subcontinent. Their solitary lifestyle is a defining characteristic, shaped by various factors that contribute to their survival in the wild. One significant aspect of Bengal tigers' solitary behavior is their preference for vast home ranges. Each tiger stakes out a territory spanning hundreds of square kilometers, ensuring access to ample prey and resources. These territories serve as exclusive domains, providing Bengal tigers with the freedom to roam and hunt without interference from other individuals of their kind. Their solitary nature is also influenced by their hunting strategy and dietary preferences. As obligate carnivores, Bengal tigers primarily target large ungulates like deer, wild boar, and buffalo. Solitary hunting allows them to stealthily stalk and ambush their prey, maximizing their chances of a successful kill while minimizing the risk of detection. Furthermore, the scarcity of prey and the need to avoid conflicts with other predators further reinforces Bengal tigers' solitary tendencies. By maintaining solitary lifestyles, they can reduce competition for food and territory, ensuring their survival in the competitive ecosystems they inhabit. The world of solitary animals is as diverse as it is fascinating. From the majestic Bengal tiger to the elusive snow leopard, each species has evolved unique adaptations to thrive in solitude. Through their solitary lifestyles, these animals navigate their environments with independence and resilience, embodying the beauty and complexity of the natural world. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.